Hey guys, Mike here with TV Parts today. We're just going to be removing the boards out of this LG unit. It is a 49UM6900PUA. It's going to be a pretty simple procedure. As always, if you need to order any parts or if you have any questions or comments, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. All right, first order of business here is going to be the power supply. We've just got 2 clips here and here. And then just a handful of screws. What we're going to do on this guy is just pinch on the sides, pull it straight out away from the board. You might need to walk this one side to side and kind of shimmy it a bit. But all in all, it should come out pretty easily. This one here, we're just going to pinch down at the top to release that latch that's right there, and then just pull it straight out. Be gentle. These cords are pretty fragile. If that's out of the way, we've just got a handful of screws. That should be it for this power supply. As always, just be kind of gentle when you lift up, just to make sure there's no adhesive on the bottom. And we are set. That's our power supply for this unit. And moving on to the main board. As per all these newer models of televisions, your T-Con is built into this set. You see your 2 ribbon cables here side by side. Just taking another glance, looks like we've just got 1 more ribbon cable here, cord there, and then a handful of screws. So first things first, get your fingernail underneath of that flap, pull it up. This whole piece should gently come on out of there. There we are. Let's do it with this guy here. Flip it, pull it out. This one here, again, fingernail underneath of it to pull that flap up. Get that cable removed. This guy here, just like on the other end on the power supply, pinch on the sides, pull it out away from you. These, you might need to use 2 hands. Pinch it, kind of wiggle it. If it doesn't come out like that, you can kind of see there it's only attached on this side. This side is free. Just push it back into place and restart. Pinch both sides. Just kind of wiggle it on out of there. And that goes out. Let's get this out of the way. This guy here, pinch down the top, pull it out away from you, towards you rather. Now that we've got all the cabling free, we can just take out these screws and we should be finished with this one. Be careful in case there's any adhesive. There's no resistance, so that one comes out like so. All right, pretty simple stuff today. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep in mind, if you do subscribe to our channel, your first order does qualify for 20% off. And thanks. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.